Hi.
Hello. Back again. But this time it's a slightly different vlog because this one's all about you guys. We've hit 500 subscribers. Can't believe it.
No, absolutely in shock. Can't believe that you guys are sitting there watching us on your telly boxes, your phones, tablets, whatever.
Really, haven't you got anything better else to do?
Yeah. But no, seriously, it's amazing. We're really, really touched, and well, we just can't believe it, can we?
No, we appreciate it. You know, it's not just about the subscribers. It's about, you know, the social side, the people we've met, the people have come to see us, the comments, the messages that we've had. The support's been fantastic.
It's all been really positive, hasn't it?
Yeah,
And
it has
just
been.
kept us wanting to do
The
more.
community, you are absolutely awesome. So we've also now, we said when we get to the 500, we'll do something.
Something really cool.
Well, we think it's cool. We hope you think it's cool.
It is cool.
Some of you might have already seen it on social media.
Oh yeah, if you follow us on Instagram, you've probably got a bit of a hint already what it could be, because we were too excited, weren't we? So we've had to share it a little bit. So I'm pretty much the same size as it, actually. Right, ready?
Yeah, let's go.
3, 2, 1.
Ta-da! Sheila's had a makeover.
Yes, you'll be able to see us now. I'm really excited. Look, come on the back. We put a little one by there, and a little YouTube, and then we've transferred a plate from our motorbike days to Sheila, so it's a bit more personal to us, and we're chuffed to pieces.
Right, so on that note, once again, thank you so much.
Thank you. Yeah,
brilliant community, absolutely love you. It's been fantastic.
Yeah, and now if you see us, don't be afraid to come and say hello.
You see us a mile off.
Yeah, you might catch me in my pyjamas. Not gonna lie, but it'll be lovely to see everybody, won't it?
Stratford show this weekend. Should we go? We're about to leave.
We better add.
See you in a bit.
See you in a bit.